So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. Now once you're on this, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to fix your problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If that did not work, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr and then click on enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 all and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot and then click on enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /rebuild bsd. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. Next, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Once that's been done, now you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/f/r and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, we can now resolve this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.